Christmas. It's what I'm
Good morning. Good morning, guys. Ooh, I think I have the ring light too strong. It is November. Hold on. Let me see. Let me make sure. November 17th, 2021. It is 10:30 in the morning. And we are going to work in my room. Yesterday was the 16th. Yesterday, this is what I had planned to do for yesterday, was actually really pack up some of my room, and not just pack up, but again, purge. And I just didn't do anything in any part of the house. I didn't do anything yesterday. Excuse me. The 15th, I did vlog. I showed you it was my son's birthday. But that evening, I talked to my brother, told him what's going on, and he informed me of what's going on in his family's life. And it just sort of hit me. It hit me. Not gonna lie. I mean, it's your family and things happen to them. Of course, it affects you. But then with everything else on top, it really hit me. And so I did some crying, had a little bit of a rough night. And so when I woke up yesterday, when I woke up in the morning, I just sort of said, I'm not doing anything. And I didn't. So today I feel better. I mean, nothing's resolved, but I feel better. I did sleep better. And so, yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to use this as my tripod. It is a tripod for this camera. But I can't take the back off of here. Like, I can't take the case because I broke the back of the phone, like the glass. It's shattered. And so if I take the case off, I'm afraid it's just gonna, like, all the glass or whatever it is gonna go everywhere. So I'm gonna do my best to use it. It's gonna cost me like $100 or $100 and something to fix. So, and I had planned to get it fixed, but not right now. So that's why it's gonna be a little tricky to use that one. But I'm gonna try and set you up so that I could speed it up so you can see as I go. But first I'm gonna pan out and show you exactly how my room's looking. I mean, you can kind of see here. It's really a hot mess. I started wrapping. You saw I wrapped my son's, I don't think you saw, but I had my table out here. I have wrapping paper. I used all of it to wrap my son's presents. But then I started sort of wrapping some Christmas presents. And so I have wrapping paper. Still have my eBay clothes that I'm looking through, purging through. Going to donate some. Some I'm going to list, so I'm going to put them away. I have this, just a mess, guys. But yesterday I sort of took a deep breath, let it all out, and checked out a little bit, and now I'm good. I'm good. Yeah. I also talked to my cousin. I reached out to my cousin, talked to her. She shared some memories of my mom as well, and she shared, what they're going through as well. This time, they're remembering when she got sick. Excuse me. And so we were just sort of talking about that as well. Because mom got sick. Well, she went to go visit my grandma, her mom. She ended up getting last year. This is about last year when we all got the Rona. My mom left here on a Friday. I hugged her, kissed her. She left to go visit her mom. She was only going to be there. I think she was going to plan to come home that Saturday night. She started feeling kind of sick. So she kind of stood put because she didn't know if we were all sick. So she didn't want to, at that time, everybody who felt sick were a little bit on the edge. And so on Monday or Tuesday, I think it was verified that she had the Rona. So she ended up staying down there with her sister and niece. They also got sick, but they all quarantined. It was just the three of them. They were sort of in the house. We were just talking about that. We were sort of reminiscing, talking about that. And it did help. It did help. So anyways, okay, guys, enough of that. We are going to get to work today. We are going to get this room in some kind of order. Let's do this. All right, guys. So over here, let me open up these shades really quickly so I could show you what I got going on. This is, empty box. I'm going to fill that up. Donation. This is some Christmas presents. I'm hoping to get wrapped today and then put those underneath the tree. Over here looks pretty good. My steamer is out because I steam clothes as I take pictures for my eBay. This is my little eBay section here. This is stuff that I need to see what I want to do. I think I talked about this book. I want to decoupage it. So I want to pack all this stuff in one section. This is how my makeup table is looking. I'm going to see. I'm not sure if we're going to get to it. Want to pack up this. Not sure if I'm going to get to it. This is stuff that I just found, some Christmas labels. Yeah, so that's how that looks. Over here, this is my planner stuff, stickers, stuff like that. I'm going to probably keep that out. There's my doggy. This is my external memory. I'm going to keep that out. This is recipes and the binder. I had a project to work on. But I don't know. I'm going to make decisions on that because, yeah. My one Christmas present that is wrapped. This is my grandbaby's. So we'll take that down to the tree. Got some boxes here. This is the wrapping, Christmas wrapping that I'm going to be using. Let's go to my closet. My jeans fell. They fell. So I got to pick that up. These are my Squish Mellows. Mellow. I always mix up. But these are my plush. These are on eBay right now. This little guy is going to go on eBay. But these are packed up, ready to go. I did sell. This is from Nightmare Before Christmas. I did sell Sally and Jack together. I have 3 of those sets. I sold them, so those already went. Actually, they went international, so that's pretty good. So those are there. These are all on eBay. Shoes that are on eBay. These are the jackets that some of them are on eBay. I'm going to remove them, and I'm going to donate these jackets to the church. So these are some jackets that are going to be boxed up today. Here's another one that I'm going to remove. This stuff here is all on eBay. That Barbie was my mom's. I'm going to keep that, so that's going to be boxed. This is all on eBay. My jewelry. These are empty boxes. This is just a mosh podge of stuff now. I am going to go through my purses. We are going to sell, donate some. Hey, babes. Sell, donate, and make decisions on some of those. This is the jacket that was my mom's. Remember I showed you guys? And these are my shirts I need to hang up. This is stuff I need to take care of. All this stuff here. Yeah. It's just, this stuff here was like in my kitchen. That shouldn't have been in the kitchen. When I boxed up the kitchen, this is the stuff that this is going to sell on eBay. So I started pulling things that were in my cabinet, in my kitchen that shouldn't have been there. That one too. So those are going to get boxed up. This is going to go on eBay. And then my dresser, another dresser. Yeah, nightstand. Okay, and then here, this is some of the eBay stuff that was still left in my son's closet. This little bit here, just here, this here. This container is stuff that's eBay that I need to put up. But what I'm going to do is whatever I donate, I'm going to put in one of those boxes. Whatever I keep is going to go in this tote because this is still what I need to put on. So this is what this is here. Some of this is my clothes, my clean clothes that I need to put away. Yeah. Okay. So there you have it. There you have it. There you have it. But right now, I'm going to go downstairs. I'm going to go have some breakfast. I have some egg boiling, and I'm going to eat just some breakfast, and then I'll come back, and then I'll put you on tripod. Much. And I'm going to tell you why. Tell you what I decided to do. That box right there, that box is donation, okay? And a lot of it mainly is stuff that I have had inventory for my eBay. Things that are at least 4 to 5 years old, if not older. Moons ago, I used to go to the thrifts here almost every single day. It was insane, minus the weekends. I would bring in way more than I was able to put up. I'm a one-man show on my eBay. Plus, I have also, throughout the many years of doing eBay, I have really, really honed in on what I like, what I enjoy putting up. So this is stuff that has just been going from house to house since I've been doing eBay. And it's just something that gets caught in the shuffle. And that's it. I'm dealing with it. I don't have a lot. That's the good thing. So I'm going to show you what I have to do and what I'm doing here. Let me show you first the items. So here on my chair, I have a couple pieces. Here, I got about 2 to 3 pieces here. Over here, I have just this here. And some of them are jackets I can see are going to be donated. So up until the lid, up until here. So I'm going to go through these. This is my clothes to put away. These are mine. These are things that I've also gone through and I'm going to keep and I'm going to list. They're good stuff here. Like I said, everything else I've been putting in that box for redonation. So I have this here in the closet. Like I said, I still have some jackets that I'm going to be donating to the church, but there's just a couple of pieces here. A couple of pieces here. Let's see, this is mine. This is my mom's. Oh, this is mine, except for this jacket I'm gonna donate. These are my clothes. So this is a donation, a couple jackets to donate, and then a couple of pieces left that I have to go through. And so what I decided to do is I'm at my computer and I'm trying to see, because these are really old pieces, and I'm trying to see if I can find the original price. Only because I do a ledger month to month, and I'm trying to see accuracy of what my profit margin is month to month. This stuff is so old, really, technically, but I have a spreadsheet that I've logged everything in. I no longer use that system. It's been well over a year that I've tried a new system that I'm much quicker at, it's much faster, that logs in the cost for me of what I paid, and so I know what I paid. It's much easier to find the item. This here, I have to go by year. And so I have to go through all the years to try to find it. And the other thing too, what I do different, much different, is if I go thrifting, I limit what I can buy. I limit the pieces. I'm much more picky. And also I have a 3-day rule where if I get it, it has to go on eBay within 3 days of buying it. Otherwise this mess happens. So I just don't shop as much. I have plenty to list, but what I do have here are the remnants of just pieces that are extremely old. I'm just trying to see if I can find what I paid, and then I'm writing them down back here and taking the loss. But that's it. I don't have the eBay inventory that I have, that I've gone through. They're all in totes, and in a future video I'm going to show you exactly how I have it stored. These are things that are ready to get listed. I still have a lot of inventory, but it's so much less than what I had, wow, really big difference. And like I said, everything's logged. Everything, I know what I paid. I know what the cost was. It's logged in. This system, I used to log everything on a piece of paper. Everything. If I bought 2 big bagfuls, I would log them on a piece of paper, give a best description, and then log it. And then I would come, when I was ready for that piece, I would try to find it on these papers and put the cost in. Woo! Now everything's so much more, so much easier for me. So anyways, that's it. I'm just going to do this, see if I can find it, make final decisions on it. And this should be the last of remnants from years, items that I've had for years. Yeah. Okay. So that's what I'm doing. That's why I'm not putting the camera to show you around, because I'm sitting here mainly. So, all right, guys, see you in a bit. Hopefully it's getting better though. I think so. Okay. 1:30. So I only have like 20 minutes left, and then I have to go pick up my daughter. Yeah, my daughter. I was like, it's Wednesday. Okay. One of them has my son Evan has half day. Tuesdays, my daughter has half day. Wednesdays, different schools, different half days. Times. All right. Anyway, I wanted to show you this that I came across. So I found actually a little bit more clothes than I had thought. But we are down to the wire. This is it. This is it right here. This is already accounted for. I'm going to keep. I'm going to fold up and put away. And then this is the rest. And that is it. Whew. That's how the back is looking over there. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. But I wanted to show you this. I remember listing this probably like 2018, around there. I remember having this listed. And then what happened, I'm trying to think, why did I take it off? Okay. I started to take down things that were just not selling. And I remember I would take things down because I'm like, oh my gosh, Then I went to eBay Open in 2019 and they were like, no, don't ever take anything off. And they explained how to do it, blah, blah, blah. But this is one thing that I had already taken off because it wasn't selling. I came across it today. Totally forgot that I had it. I went to go see if I can just find it in my, because I list through a third party on eBay. I don't list directly from eBay. I list on a third party. And it keeps anything that you've had. Well, after a while, though, it does dump it. So it's no longer on there because I was just going to hit relist. So I got to do the pictures and everything over again. But, and I'm going to keep it. And it's this Winnie the Pooh. It's from Disneyland. And this is already considered vintage. A couple of people have them on eBay, and one lady wants $26.99. I checked it to make sure everything is good. It is. There's no date on it. There's no date. So, but the people that have this particular jacket are listing it as vintage. I don't know. There's no date. So I'm not going to put vintage on it just because I can't confirm that it is vintage. I know it's an older piece. I can tell you that. It's an older piece, but to put vintage, I wouldn't do it. Anyway, I checked everything. So I'm going to relist it. And it's from Disneyland. Let me show you the back. So, and it's a size 24 months. Pretty good, huh? Pretty good little find in my own stash, in my own closet. Okay, that's it. I just wanted to come back and show you that. Yeah, a lot more clothes than I thought. But like I said, this is it. This is the remnants. A lot of the dates that I have on my spreadsheet are from 2018. Not older than that. That I didn't have my spreadsheet in 2017. I started my spreadsheet in 2018. Most of it's crossed off, most of it, because I've listed, but there are a few pieces that are still showing up, which is good because at least I get the cost of it, All right, guys. Like things like this, I wouldn't buy anymore. From Forever 21. No, I wouldn't. It's just not what I sell. But I have it. So I need to make decisions on it. Most of everything, actually, guys, I am keeping. I am. Except for, like I said, the jackets are going to the church. But everything else, I'm pretty much keeping. There's been... the box is getting full of donations. But a lot of it, honestly, were clothes that were mine. That I opted not to sell. Because I found a little bit of something that I just don't think it's worth the time to sell. But very much donatable. And some clothes that were my mom's as well that I'm going to go ahead and donate. A couple pieces from my daughter. But most everything I'm ending up keeping. So we'll keep going. My son got in a car accident. You look around and then you're kind of like, oh, I hope the other house has this and the other house has this. So I think what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to hold on to it and pass it on to my granddaughter. Oh my gosh, you found this? 3 bags of plush. See, like this one, should I wrap it better? Yeah. We'll see what we get. The Moving Chronicles is what I should call it, huh?